getting it done over here. It's a 2013 427 Burt, and I'm gonna guess it makes 472. Baseline here.
485, you might guess. It's already got headers in the intake.
Oh, you freaking asshole. I didn't know that. Well, gotta pay to play. Kyle took me on the unfair advantage. I've never seen under the hood of this.
I didn't know it had headers until I strapped it up and saw them underneath. So, didn't want to relay that information. It still gets kind of low. I should have said 5. Bumps, issues. So this guy's he already had headers, the whole exhaust, so it's one less thing we have to do. He's keeping his Haltech intake, so we're not doing a Veraram. So it's just strictly the heads cam portion. Finished putting the radiator in, and so all I have to do is put the fans in, put the intake back on, put the fluids in it, and start it up.
Pretty straightforward. It's just a stage 3 kit. And we did a trunnion upgrade on this one because I think Kyle found like needle bearings coming out of the rockers. I don't know what a baseline either. It'll make 6 617. That's my guess. Dude, who keeps putting the wideband in these things? Second car in a row, it's in the wrong pipe. $619 there. And it might make one or two more. But that's pretty good, 520 torque. Tune was pretty much, it was actually a little lean first pull, but then it was good second pull. I'm actually adding like 2% more fuel now just to the whole thing and leaving timing exactly where it's at. It'll probably make 620 or 621, and then it'll be good. Ship it. Yeah, this thing, I forgot, this thing baselined high. It made like 502 or something, but it had air intake and headers on it when it came in, so. But still, picked up 120 with just the heads and cam. Literally right where they are. The last stage 3, the one that I just did before this today, I think made 613 or something, so I call that done. Happened to randomly drive my V in today. And now I'm getting a blower put on it. What? I drove it yesterday and today. Ain't my fault Phil didn't order parts. Oh.
We have throttle bodies?
Yeah, we got a ton of them. We just got 20 of them in the other day. Put a porta blower on it.
Swap out the blower.
That I've had since I bought the car.
Yeah,
Or maybe before. I don't know. I've had it forever. And we were going to do it when we did the intake and the headers, but I don't know
he
why
was
we
scared
did.
of the power.
Yeah, I didn't want to make it too much. Then I put it on the dyno and it made $5.99, so I'm like, this thing's junk. Like, it feels, I don't know, I'm just used to fat. Like, it feels pretty good, like, on the way here for this car. I don't know what it'll make now. Probably 100 more is my guess. Blower, throttle body, and whatever this different size pulley is. I don't know what a stock size is.
You guys have to guess what you think it's going to make before I click OK. Really? It doesn't make a ton of boost. Makes like not even 16 pounds. 15.8. And I mean, all we did was a blower and a throttle body.
Yeah, blower and throttle body. 702.
Okay. Ask them what they got. Not bad. 670 there. I didn't know how much it would pick up. I figured maybe 80. I mean, it's on straight 93, so you can only push it too hard, you know? You can't go crazy with it. guessed that one on the dot. He said 683, and it's exactly what it made. So it picked up like 90, which is pretty good. Stock size pulley is a 250, and we have a 245, so pretty much a stock size pulley on there.
On the head. Woo! Yep. You know, that's just years of getting it done over here, working on these bad boys. Feels good.
So it picked up 86 horsepower, a throttle body and a blower port, and a half of an inch different in pulley size. No, not even a half of an inch. From a 250 to a 245. Pretty good. Probably feel a little better now. And even last time when I had it on the dyno, I could get more aggressive with the tune on the street than I could on the dyno, just because it's moving and like I think I had like another degree or two on the timing on the street than I did on the dyno.
Just make sure you film your reaction.
He's making fun.
Oh my god. Nardi, we love you, but that video is hilarious.